how to increase your Nexus Fund to your desired amount. This is what you do. So quickly, you go to your browser. So I'm going to use Google Chrome. So you locate Google Chrome, then you tap on it. Once it's open, you see where we've written search Google. You tap there, then you type in www.grnmainfonet.com. Then you hit on enter. It loads and it brings you here. So you simply tap on GRNMA Infonet. It brings you here. So here you log in. Your username is your staff ID. So don't be confused. If you see a username here, they are asking for you to put your staff ID. So just put in your staff ID and put in your password. Then you tap on login to login. If you enter your staff ID and your password and it's still not working, you just try to reset your password. So you click on where they've written forgot your password. You just click on here to reset your password. So just tap on that place. It will take you to a new window where they'll ask of your staff ID. After that, they'll send you an SMS alert. You use that code to reset your password. If you use this and then you are not able to enter the code, then you quickly go and download the app or use the app to reset your password, and you'll be able to do it very simply. After doing it, after resetting your password, that is if you've forgotten, then you log in. So once you log in, it brings you here. So here I have a lot of different things because I am a district executive. So yours wouldn't be that many. You just see some few options. But what you are supposed to locate is to look out for what we call edit membership details. That is what you should look out for. When you see the edit membership details, you just tap on it. When you tap on edit membership details, it opens this way for you. So you can see your bio data, your facility details, where you work, your staff ID and all that. What you are looking for here is your Nexus Fund. So you can locate it here. You can see it just after the email. So you just tap there, you highlight that place. And then you simply clean the values there. And then you enter the amount. Okay, so the amount there is currently 50 cedis. So let's say you want to increase it. So let's say I want to increase mine to 100 cedis, right? I'll just tap 100. So after tapping 100, you go down and then you submit. So this is how you do it. You scroll down to the bottom here. So to the bottom, you see we have save. Then you tap on save. When you tap on save, you see this pop up. So they're asking you, are you sure you want to submit this information? You say yes, then you tap on OK. Then you receive an SMS alert telling you you've updated your details and you are true. So I have my SMS alert, tap on it. So here you can see, boom, there's your salary point upgrade and Nexus Fund amount update request has been received. You shall be notified when it's too soon. You can visit Infonet to make further changes. Yes. So my Nexus Fund has been updated. I'm asking them to start deducting 100 cedis for my Nexus Fund. It's towards my retirement. It's very important. You see, the issue is that we hardly think about our retirement, but I want to tell you, it's something as young people we need to start thinking of. Very soon I'll make a video on what we call annuities, which is something we need to draw our minds or our attention to. If you are not careful as a nurse or as a public sector worker in this country, you will sacrifice your entire life for this country. When you are going on retirement, your life will be very miserable. So please, we need to plan for our retirement, and that is why GRNMA brought this system to cushion what we take home when we go on retirement. And the truth is that when this thing started, it was very low, okay, around 5 cedis, and then eventually went to 20 cedis, and now we are paying 50 cedis. The 50 cedis is not enough, but it's better. Keep in mind that this money is your own money. It's not going to be given to anyone else, okay? So I've increased my I keep telling people that next year when salaries are increased, I'll try to push it up to somewhere 200 cedis or more, because I'm targeting some amount of money. Okay, so thanks so much for your time, and if you have any questions or any concerns, hit me in the comment section, or please always contact your district executive. They're always there to assist us. Stay blessed.